Lamphang yang terbar tawan ke jela Thomas isang mah ni kesngi habai keren kinong tho khobor ulai thu ba ula Pdiang yak city ino kam kum chief whip kaliang PIRSHah jong uba Ronnie vi langdo uba dai MLA kamalim constituency bat menta utmu ban peniasoh no elade bat ke NPP nagaliang Lamphang ulai thu ba hadin ba ula pejbnia yak city rangkat bat ke officer ki badai pek henni kesngi kalai pho tarik kunai tung harjar arpusan nakaliang kejungu ula Pdiang ya kani city bat ya kani ensapen sngau sya ka assembly ulai thuro ba nakaliang jong ba Ronnie ula pentip ba unsa weng no ya ka public interest legislation ba ula budoi hakmat ka ying kasri jo kajela kani ka PIL kadai halor ka jingweng no ya ki ngut ki MLA ka seng congress ki bala pet seng ka Dr. Celestine Lengdo uba Charles Marngar bat uba Gabriel Walang kiba dai ki MLA ka seng congress kibala rung no sya ka NPP ha ki banai ki bala dep
received the letter of resignation from the opposition chief whip from Ronnie Lingdo yesterday, and today I have also received his desire to merge with the National People's Party, and he submitted the letter to me. I have gone through it with the help of my staff and the legal advisors, the law officers which is attached to me, and with their assistance I have found the letter submitted by Ronnie Lingdo as valid and satisfies all the criteria laid under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So I have accepted his application, and I have also given my acceptance and my recognition that he is considered as a member of the National People's Party with immediate effect. Supporters, which I am not aware of, but he had come to me around 12:30, and I have accepted his letter seeking merger with NPP today at around 12:30 p.m.
He was a complainant in the other MLAs, the MLAs. So where does he stand now?
He had also, in that letter, he has also submitted that he no longer desires to continue with the PIL, that he has FIR or PIL, whatever is that, complaint petition seeking the his PIL with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and he said he no longer desires to continue pursue them. This room was filled with all of them, and also from our party leaders, including Deputy Chief Minister Ma Snabalang Dar, Bah Ronnie, and our State Treasurer, Mr. Daniel, and other senior leaders from NPP also, and his supporters also. My lawyers and maybe the lawyers of those other MLAs, they will be appealing to, submitting their request to the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya.
So this means that Congress has closed the shop in Meghalaya.
I don't know. I don't know whether I should say that word